Welcome to EstateIQ, Intelligent Estate Solutions. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to adjust your ChatGPT account settings. Click on your profile image in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the account menu. From the menu, click on Settings. The Settings panel will now appear on your screen. You can customize these settings to your preferences. Under General, you can select your preferred theme, change the text and spoken language, and adjust the voice. This is the voice ChatGPT uses when the voice option is active in a conversation. You can also choose whether you want to see follow-up suggestions during a chat. This option helps keep the conversation moving by showing suggested questions or next steps after each response. Notification settings are not applicable at this stage, but if you're using ChatGPT for tasks and research, you can enable email or browser notifications as needed. Under Personalization, you can choose whether to switch custom instructions on or off and adjust your memory settings. If enabled, reference saved memories means ChatGPT can use what it has remembered about you to improve responses. Reference chat history means it can draw on recent messages in a conversation to keep replies relevant and connected. Manage memories allows you to view, delete, or update what ChatGPT has remembered about your preferences or profile. Connected apps allows you to link other services or tools to your ChatGPT account. For example, you can connect apps that help you schedule tasks, access calendars, or integrate with other platforms. Under Data Controls, you can choose whether or not to share your chat data with OpenAI. If you do not want your conversations to be used to improve future models, make sure this is switched off. In the Security section, you can enable multi-factor authentication for extra protection. This is recommended for personal users. You can also log out of all devices, or just the one you're currently using. For more information, visit the OpenAI Help Center. Under Account, you'll find the option to permanently delete your account if needed. Now that your settings are configured, you're ready to explore how the EstateIQ AI team can support your estate.